Is that boring, huh? Yeah. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the new contact lenses try on haul. I have here 4 colored contact lenses from a company MYEYEBB, which sent me over those contacts. I already cooperated with them a few months ago, and I will link the video in the description. So if you are interested in seeing more colors, just check this out. MYEYEBB is online store. They have literally so many options for you. They have natural colored contact lenses, they have cosplay contact lenses, so you definitely can find what you need. They have also lenses with a prescription. I don't have any prescription, so I just like to play always with my look, different types of eye color and stuff like that. Don't forget to use my codes Klara20 for 20% off on your order, and code Klara when you buy 2 contacts you get 2 for free. I have actually in my eyes already lenses. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually my favorite color from this video. This is the packaging. I have there 4 pairs of lenses. Each pair is packed in this little box. You have there also some information, how long are they lasting, the diameter and stuff like that. I love the packaging, I love the color, the simple change starting with eyes says the box, which is fun. And yeah, I already put my lenses last night into my solution, so it's always recommended to put your lenses 5 to 6 hours prior use to your solution, so that's the best to do. You get there also in the box tweezers and this tool to put the lenses inside of your eye. I always use my fingers, but it is totally up to you what you use, what is more convenient for you. I don't want to talk so long, so let's just go and try those 4 pairs. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, just comment below. I will try to answer it, and let's just do that. Alright, so we are going to start with the first pair, which is Pearlescent Black. This is very interesting color. Here you can see the lens. I never ever tried color like that. Here is the lens, and this is my natural eye color. The colors are pretty similar, I would say, but the lens has this black round around the pupils, so I feel like it pops the eye more. The eye look bigger. This is the final look. I really like this. I feel like this is pretty natural, but still it gives my eyes a little bit, some spice in it. It definitely feels like it makes my eyes bigger, which I really like. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is this goldish pearl finish in the lenses, which is so nice. I bet in the sun it would look really amazing. I really love this color. I feel like the color is very natural. I really like it to my look right now, actually. Like this brownish, blackish, feel. The lenses also feels pretty good in my eyes. I have no problem with it. So yeah, I guess that's the win-win. The second color which I would love to try is the Future World Violet. This should be a little bit pinkish color, which is pretty interesting. Oh, wow, that's interesting. So as you can see, here is the contact lens, and this is my natural eye color. Wow, I always like all the looks, actually. So cool. I feel like that also goes with my sweatshirt. Let's put in the second one. This is so interesting. I love this. This is pretty. What do you think, guys? I feel like this is so cute. I don't know, I really like these contact lenses. Alright, let's just take those lenses out and let's try another pair. It is easy like this. If you are new to contact lenses, just be aware that in the beginning it takes little practice to put the lenses in and take them out, but you will learn it quickly. Alright, so the third color I am trying is the color Viva Blue. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is a very bright color. So you can see the comparison, the colored lens and my natural eye color. I also like the blue circle actually around the eye. I feel like these colors are all like really nice pastel colors, very light but pretty interesting. Let's pop in the second one. That is so pretty. I feel like always with the blue color it pops, you know, so nice. Okay, maybe this is my favorite actually. What do you think? I feel like this is a pretty natural blue color. As exciting as it is, we are going to take those out and we are going to try the last but not least fourth color. And the last we have here the color Rare Iris Brown, which I bet will be also pretty nice. These brownish colors are also always very pretty. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's going to be also very light. I feel like it's a little bit like brownish orangey. I feel like I have already tried something like this and it looked pretty, so oh wow, yes, this is really pretty. So as you can see, here is the lens and here is my natural eye color. I love it. I love it. It's very bright in my eye. Well, brighter as my natural color is. I just like this. These brownish colors are always so pretty. Let's put there the second lens and see the final result. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I feel like this is really my favorite color for this video. I love these brighter colors which like pops out from my eyes, and it also goes with my sweatshirt. So I'm just going to keep in my eyes this color right now for the day, I guess. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I'm also using just natural light in front of the window, so you can really see the colors are pretty. Like, for me it's natural, but it's like with this little spice in it. And this color is really my favorite, so comment below which color is your favorite. Alright guys, so I guess we are getting to the end. That was it for pairs from MYEYEBB. Bailey also loved every look. I feel like he was so he was so curious and just wanted to be here on the camera, right? Yeah, so that's it guys, I guess. That was all 4 looks. I am absolutely in love with these last ones, but I literally loved all of them. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to use my codes Klara20 for 20% off on your order, and code Klara when you buy 2 contacts you get 2 for free. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.